So what are you waiting for? Let us learn.
Hey guys, this is Huda here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing probability, chapter number 15. We will cover the intro. So without further ado, let's get into the video. What is probability? Probability is a chance for occurrence of an event. For example, I can give you an example that the example is the sun will not rise tomorrow in Qatar. This is not possible. This is an impossible event. So the probability, we write like this: probability of the event is equal to 0, because this is an impossible event. This will never happen. I have drawn a line for probability. Okay, I will explain you the line. First, you have to note a thing: probability cannot exceed 1 as well as be less than 0. It can only be inside 0 to 1. You have to take care of this thing. And if the probability is 1, it is a sure event, means it will happen, it's sure. If the probability is 0, it is an impossible event, means there is no chance for the event to happen. As I have given you an example, the sun will not rise tomorrow in Qatar. This is an impossible event that has 0 probability. Now there is a third section, which is the 0.5 probability, in which there is chance for both the outcomes to be selected. Like for example, a coin is tossed, probability of getting heads. As you all know, coin has a head as well as a tail. So if you toss a coin, there is equal probability to get a head or a tail. So the probability is 0.5. Now let's look at the other example. A die is thrown, probability of getting a natural number less than 6. Natural number starts from 1. So they mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In a die, there are all 6 natural numbers. So the probability of getting a natural number less than 6 is 1, because it is sure. There is no other number in a die, so it is sure. So the probability is 1. It is a sure event. A die is thrown, probability of getting number 8. In a die, as we all know, there is no number 8. So the probability is definitely 0. It is an impossible event. Probability can be greater than or equal to 0, and it can be less than or equal to 1. This is a very important equation. I have written the questions of exercise 15.1, question number 1. I have written all the questions. Now I am going to explain you the answers. First question is probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E. So let us take an example of tossing a coin. Tossing a coin and we get a head. The probability is 0.5. Tossing a coin and the probability of not getting a head, that is a tail, the probability is the same, which is 0.5, and this will add up to 1. You can try it with all examples I have given you in the past. The answer, they will add up to 1. So the answer is 1. The probability of an event that cannot happen. The probability of an event that cannot happen is always 0. And this event is called impossible event. The probability of an event certain to happen is, probability of the event certain to happen or sure to happen is 1, and such an event is called sure event. The sum of probabilities of all elementary events is 1. I have explained you over here, it's the same thing. The probability of event is greater or equal to 0. I have told you it cannot be less than 0. And less than and equal to 1, I have told you that it cannot be more than 1. So that's it. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So see you in the next video.